To remove the white background and make it transparent PNG version in Photoshop. First, select your image. Now here if you try one-click background remover. This will remove the outside of the white area, not the inside white background. So try this. Go to the top menu. Select and select all. Go to Edit. Copy. Add a new layer. And delete the image background layer to the trash can. Now fill this new blank layer with a black color. Then add a mask to it. Now hold the Alt key and click on the mask. This will make white look. Now go to Edit and paste the earlier copy image. Now go to Image, Adjustment, Invert, or simply click Ctrl+I as invert. Now click on the layer, not on the mask. Perfect! Now you can export this image as a PNG transparent version. If you found this video helpful, then watch the next video that appears on your screen. You will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.